Hi friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is so much fun to make because I'm sharing a few quick winter filler projects for the Operation Christmas Child Processing Center. These gifts are a wonderful way to help fill shoeboxes that might need a little extra love before they're sent out. If you've ever wondered how to help beyond packing your own boxes, filler items are such a beautiful way to bless a child, and every little bit helps. So come along as I share these snow day worthy projects that you can make from the heart. Let's do this. Sweet tea daily, spreading the light. The project I want to share with you are these Let's Make a Snowman packs. So inside these packs are items that you can use to build a snowman. But first, I want to show you some pictures that I'm including. This is a picture of a snowman in nature and then the finished product. And I did that because some of the children come from climates that have never seen snow before. And if they don't have easy access to media or television or internet, then they may not know what snow is. So anyway, I thought I would include a couple pictures to kind of give them some reference. And I've had these white packets of air dry clay for quite a while. And I was trying to think, what should I do with these packets of clay? So anyway, this is what I came up with. So I'm including 2 packets of air dry clay. And then the accessories for the snowman, a little pipe cleaner carrot nose and arms, brown and orange pipe cleaner, and then 2 little bead eyes. Then along with that, I am including a cross necklace. And I'm putting it in these Christmas bags here. These bags I found on sale on Amazon after Christmas. And it says in the description that they're 8.85 by 6 inches. But really the usable space from here to here is more like 6.5 inches. So I would say 6.5 inches by 6 inches. And anyway, I just thought this would be a really fun project for a child. Filler project I have been working on are these pencil packs with some very cute little finger puppet penguins at the top. So in this pack, I've got 5 pencils and a bookmark that says Happy Birthday Jesus, 2 pencil sharpeners, some chapstick, an eraser, and then in the back, I've got a couple of sheets of paper, notebook paper, and then some stickers. And pencil packs are always needed at the processing center. That is one project that can be affordable and also very needed. Next packs I've been working on are winter-themed hygiene kits. I found these cute washcloths on sale after Christmas. And they are very soft. And in each of these packs, I'm including a toothbrush, a chapstick, and an emery board. To make this winter bear cut filler, first I start off with this cup that has a little reindeer pattern on it. Then I'm going to put a mini coloring book inside the cup. And I'm going to add these winter gloves. And these are a little on the small side, so probably best for the 2 to 4 age group. But I was inspired by Kit Nicole in her last filler video to send winter items to the processing center. And I will link her video in the description box. So I'm going to put the gloves in there. Next, I'm going to add some crayons. And then the teddy bear. And then a spoon. And I'm going to be putting it in this organza bag. This organza bag measures 6 inches by 9 inches. And I'm also going to be adding one of these labels that you can get off of sweetteadaily.com if you're interested. Here's the finished filler, and I did tie it at the top. and it's all ready to go. What I want to show you next was the easiest to put together. I found some good after Christmas deals at Walmart. This snowman was 97 cents, and I'm pairing it with this pair of gloves that I already had on hand. I bought this penguin on sale, although I'm not sure for how much. It was probably about the same price as the snowman, again with some gloves. And I've had this cute little gingerbread man for a while in my stash, and I just think it's time to send him on. So I'm going to pair him with some gloves as well. Next filler item I want to share with you are these puzzles that I found on sale after Christmas at Walmart. They were $1.72 a piece. And I'm pairing it with a pair of these warm, soft winter gloves. And I'm packaging them up in just these Ziploc bags. And I want to thank Kit Nicole again for her inspiration on sending these warm, soft items to the processing center. Even the children that are in warm climates love to have something soft in their shoe boxes. And I just hope these filler items will be a blessing. And I hope I gave you some ideas today for your own villa projects. Well, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. May God bless you in your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.